If you say choose a word, the first one will be thrust. Experienced, strong financing structure. World salt brand with high quality aesthetic and homogeneous natural blocks. Supply of marble in different colours to many sectors they need. Gülmer means a great marble journey, enabling construction of aesthetic spaces in the entire geography by means of reliable and contemporary company infrastructure, high-quality product supply and service perception. Gülmer means crema camera, sought for the most favourite projects of the world. It's a journey starting 12 years ago. Gülmer carrying on business in three main fields. As the intermediary company, quarry and plants is now one of the most reliable and most preferred supplier brands of our country, in this journey taken block by block. This adventure, which was started as a business firm, transforms into a great exploration journey in time, and it becomes a colourful export history from known marble quarries, and also to be discovered of Turkey being a marble heaven to the world, mainly China and India. Gülmer provides the best service to its customers at its offices in Turkey, Yunful Shutor and Beijing, with specialist, experienced, friendly site team, setting their heart on natural stone and teammates, and continues to grow stably. Gülmer achieves the control of raw material by renewing itself as the sector changes and develops. Introduces a new block to the journey of quarry operation in 2010. It opens a new quarry in Buldulf Yeşilova. 1 year later, perfect journey of stone begins in this way. Stones are quarries very meticulously via professional equipment and exported a number of countries of the world. Gülmer Marble plant foundation, of which was laid on the land acquired in 2015, begins the production in 2018. With fully automatic system by equips it with cutting-edge technology Italian machines, with $6 million of investment. Stones supplied from the quarry are processed, polished and transformed into plate in a modern machinery park in a plant located in 25,000 square metres area, with 8,500 square metres of closed area and offered to the customers. Hundreds of blocks in various colours formed as customised are exported to Europe, North America, Middle East, Australia and Far East. Gülmer, which has such an investment and uses technology in such a modern and intense way, establishes its own standards at each stage of business and production, and introduces it to the site, very confidently becomes one of the leading brands of Turkey. It contributes to the employment by these visionary steps and adds value to the country economy with export figures. Gülmer does not only produce marble, it also carries on R&D activities to meet natural, aesthetic and quality requirements of various sectors and to plan the future from this perspective. It produces aesthetic solutions with its specialist team to introduce Turkish marble to the world. It's the raw material of the inspiration to the related projects. Gülmer becomes a milestone in this enjoyable, profitable journey full of discovery. Gülmer becomes one of the big and reliable companies rendering services to the sector of Turkey by growing and developing from past to present, today to future. It changes face of it and the world by means of new quarries incorporated into its structure by means of investment power, use of technology and ever-searching explorer structure. It offers this natural wealth of Turkey to the whole world.